Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Annual Study Point. Today we have brought another question of Newton's law of motion, which is based on connected motion. The question is, determine in the given diagram the acceleration A of the system and the tensions T1 and T2 in the strings. Assume that the table and the pulleys are frictionless and the strings are massless. The value of G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, and this is our diagram. So here we will use the formula T1 minus mg is equal to ma, and with that we will get our first equation as T1 minus 2g equal to 2a, and here we will use the formula as mg minus T2 equal to ma. Mg minus T2 equal to ma. With that we will get 4g minus T2 equal to 4a. This will be our second equation, and this is our first equation. Now this we have 8 kg mass here, so here the formula will be T2 minus T1 equal to 8a. Formula will be T2 minus T1 equal to ma, and with that we will get T2 minus T1 equal to 8a. So here it will become T2 minus T1 equal to 8a. This will be our third equation. By using the formula T2 minus T1 equal to ma, we will get T2 minus T1 equal to 8a, which will be our third equation. So we have got three equations as T1 minus 2g equal to 2a, 4g minus T2 equal to 4a, and T2 minus T1 equal to 8a. Now let's solve it. The first equation is T1 minus 2g equal to 2a. T1 minus 2g equal to 2a. So T1 will become 2a plus 2g, and value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. So 2a plus 2g, so 2 into 9.8, so this will become T1 equal to 2a plus 2 into 9.8 will be 19.6. 2a plus 19.6. Now T2, 4g minus T2 equal to 4a, so we will use again the same formula. 4g minus T2, 4g minus T2, it is equal to 4a, so we will transfer 4g minus 4a equal to 2t2. Now 4 into 9.8 minus 4a, this is equal to t2. 9.8 into 4, this is our 39.2. t2 equal to 39.2 minus 4a. So T1 is equal to 2a plus 19.6, and T2 is equal to 39.2 minus 4a. Now this will be our fourth and fifth equation. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously. Solving 4 and 5 simultaneously, now we will get the equation as T1 equal to 2a, T1 equal to 2a plus 19.6, and T2 equal to minus 4a plus 39.2. So we will transfer this. T1 minus 2a minus 19.6 equal to 0. T2 plus 4a minus 39.2 equal to 0. We will multiply this equation by 2. So we will get 2t1 minus 4a minus 4a minus 39.2 equal to 0, and this will become t2 plus 4a minus 39.2 equal to 0. So here minus 4a and plus 4a will be cancelled. So this will become 2t1 plus t2, and this will be minus 78.4 equal to 0, and it will become 2t1 plus t2 equal to 78.4. This will be our sixth equation. This is sixth equation, and now we can solve this sixth equation by the third equation simultaneously. So solving 3 and 6 simultaneously now. and we will solve 6 and 3 and 6 simultaneously. This equation will become t2 minus t1 minus 8a equal to 0. This is our third one, and here it will be t2 plus 2t1 minus 78.4 equal to 0. So let's solve this equation simultaneously. We are solving this equation, so let's multiply this equation by 2. It will become 2t2 minus 2t1 minus 16a, and this will be t2 plus 2t2 plus 2t1 minus 78.4 equal to 0. This will be cancelled out, and hence we will get 3t2, and we will get 3t2 and minus 78.4 minus 16a. So this will become 3t2 minus 78.4 minus 16a equal to 0. So the value of 3t2 will be equal to 16a plus 78.4. So the value of t2 will become 16a plus 78.4 upon 3. Now we have the equation as t2 minus t1 equal to 8a. So we will put the value of t2 as 16a plus 78.4 upon 3 minus t1 equal to 8a. We will do here, we will remain at this. So this will become 16a plus 78.4 by 3, and this 8a will come here minus 8a, and this t1 will go there equal to t1. Now we will solve this by LCM. This will become 16a plus 78.4 minus 24a upon 3 equal to t1. So t1 value will become 16a minus 24a is minus 8a plus 78.4 upon 3, and hence so we got the value of t1 as minus 8a plus 78.4 upon 3. And t1 earlier we have found the t1 value as 2a plus 19.6. So t1 was 2a plus 19.6, and now t1 is minus 8a. So t1 are common here, so we can get this as minus 8a plus 78.4 by 3 equal to 2a plus 19.6. So this 3 will come here. This will become minus 8a plus 78.4 equal to 6a, and 19 into 3 57, so it will become 58.8. So minus 8a minus 6a equal to 58.8 minus 78.4. So minus 8a minus 6a will be minus 14a, and 58.8 minus 78.4. 78.4, 58.8. So 58.8 minus 78.4 will be equal to minus 19.6. So minus minus will be cancelled out. Now we will get the acceleration as 19.6 divided by 14, and hence acceleration will be equal to 1.4 meter per second square. So we have got the acceleration as 1.4 meter per second square. So this is our first part done. Now we have to find out t1 and t2 also. Now let's find out t2 and t1. t1 is equal to 2a plus 19.6. So value of a is 1.4. So 2 into 1.4 plus 19.6. So 2 into 1.4 is 2.8. 2.8 plus 19.6. This will be 22.4. So our tension T1 is 24.4 Newton. And let's find T2. T2 is given as 39.2 minus 4a. So 39.2 minus 4a, and so 39.2 minus 4. Acceleration is 1.4. So 39.2 minus 5.6. This will become 33.6 Newton. So acceleration is 1.4 meter per second square. Tension T1 is 22.4 Newton and tension T2 is 33.6 Newton. So therefore we have solved this long question, and this ends the solution of the question. So I hope you all have understood this question. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting the solutions of these types of questions. And if you want to ask any question, you can comment me in the comment box. I will put out the video solution of the question. Thank you friends. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.